So in this Apple Notes tutorial, I will be showing you how to proofread with AI here on the Notes app. So kind of a neat feature that you guys can use. So if I just wanted to type something, for example, so what would this be like? My name, John, is awesome, and I like the name. So let's just say I just have like a jumbled, it's not proofread, etc. You want to go ahead and do this. Well, the simplest way to do it is to highlight your text right here. Go to this top bar to where there's this icon, show writing tools. Go ahead and select that. It'll then allow you to bring up this screen. So if you want to go ahead and proofread it, you can do that. There's also a bunch of different options as well. But if you wanted to go ahead and proofread it, it'll go ahead and proofread it and actually change it. So my name is John and I like the name. You can see it. My name is John and I like the name. You can kind of go ahead and proofread your stuff right there. So if this looks good to you, you can go ahead and press done. Another way you can do it as well, if you just want to revert it back to what it was, you can go to the top left here to where it says format, edit, view, etc. But go to where it says edit, scroll down to where it says writing tools, and then press on proofread. It'll do the exact same thing, and if you want to press done, it'll proofread it, make some changes, and go from there. So pretty simple, but that is how to proofread with AI in the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.